Lately, I feel like I've been playing a rigged game. To keep up with YouTube's algorithm, I've had to cut corners, like trimming tutorials for better retention, skipping valuable details, and avoiding topics that matter but don't trend. My videos take weeks, sometimes months to make, and it's impossible for me to ever go in depth consistently, all for free, without burning out. But that ends now. I'm launching something new that lets me share everything I know without compromise. It's called Frame by Frame, a Discord community and membership for filmmakers, editors, and content creators who are serious about getting better. There are two parts to the community: public channels and Kaizen channels. The public channels are open to anyone and let you connect with other like-minded creators who share your passion and ambitions. I'll be dropping bite-sized tips and joining conversations about all things filmmaking and content creation. The Kaizen channels are where I'll share all the things that the YouTube algorithm won't let me. Kaizen comes from the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement, which inspired the theme of this community. Now, there are 3 tiers depending on your needs. Tier 1 is a simple way for you to support my creative journey and the community. If you've ever learned something from my videos, this is your way to say, keep going. You'll get access to private Discord channels with behind-the-scenes content, curated resources I'm currently learning from, and a private space to chat with other creators just like you. Tier 2 is the heart of this community. It's for creators who are serious about leveling up faster. For just $1 a day, you gain 17 years of my experience in making videos. Each month, you get all the perks from Tier 1, access to additional private channels, 1 project breakdown that walks you through how I turn raw ideas into professional level results, even when working with minimal resources, 1 deep dive tutorial that would never make it to YouTube because they're too in-depth for the algorithm, but they're pure gold for you, 1 lesson from the archive, which I'll talk a little more about later. These 3 videos will be based on a rotating lesson model. Here's how it works. Each month, you'll have access to these 3 lessons, but only for that month. When the next month starts, they rotate out and new ones take their place. You won't have access to the old lessons again. This keeps the lessons fresh instead of learning from outdated courses that just collect dust. The only way to watch lessons that you've missed is being in Tier 3, waiting until they're sold as a product in the future at a much higher price, or waiting until it's the archived lesson of the month. Now, these archived lessons are either breakdowns or tutorials from a previous month that was rotated out. They'll be brought back for the month if it fits with the theme of the current month or because of popular demand. All 3 videos of the month cover not only the how, but the why behind everything I do, so you can see real results when you apply them to your own work. And to encourage you to really apply what you learn, I'll be hosting a monthly contest only for members so that you can win cash prizes, film gear, and editing assets. Okay, so the final tier is for members who are deeply committed to continuous growth. Instead of just watching tutorials, I personally mentor you and provide personalized feedback on the project that you're working on. On top of the perks from Tier 1 and 2, you get full access to every lesson that's ever been released to the community. No rotations, no limits. As the archive grows, so does the price. But what you get out of this tier pays for itself with the results you achieve. This community isn't just about learning cool effects or trendy techniques. It's about closing the gap between where you are and where you want to be, step by step, frame by frame. Click the link below to join the community. If you're still here, you're exactly who I built this for. See you inside.